Are you tired of wrestling with cords while trying to keep your home spotless? The LG Cordzero Stick Vacuum is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. In this review, we'll explore the features that make this cordless vacuum a powerhouse of performance, convenience, and durability. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to a new era of effortless cleaning. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Powerful suction, built to last. The heart of the Cordzero lies in its LG Smart Inverter motor, delivering powerful suction across various floor types. Backed by a remarkable 10-year limited warranty, this vacuum is not just a purchase, it's an investment in lasting peace of mind. Say farewell to weak suction and hello to a vacuum that stands the test of time. Removable, rechargeable battery for extended cleaning. The Cordzero features a detachable quick-release battery, providing up to 50 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning performance in normal mode. No more interruptions, no more fuss, just a powerful, cord-free cleaning experience. The future of vacuuming is wireless, and the Cordzero leads the way. Portable charging stand, store and charge anywhere. Imagine having the flexibility to decide where and how to store your vacuum. The Cordzero's self-standing design maintains a low profile in any room, but it can also be wall-mounted if you prefer. The portable charging stand not only charges your vacuum, but also neatly organizes accessories, keeping them within easy reach. With the option to store and charge a second battery, you'll never run out of power. Easy cleaning with just a touch, one-touch control. Enjoy a hassle-free cleaning experience with Cordzero's one-touch control. Turn the vacuum on and off or select different power levels, including turbo mode, with a simple touch of your thumb. Less strain on your hand, more comfort during your cleaning sessions, it's that easy. Washable cyclone and filters for easy maintenance. Maintenance should be easy, and the Cordzero ensures just that. The removable and washable filters, along with the cyclone system, are easy to clean, extending the life of your vacuum. Unlike other models, LG Cordzero lets you remove both the filter and cyclone system, ensuring thorough cleaning and optimal performance. Filters out dust, dirt, and allergens. 5-step filtration system. Breathe easy with Cordzero's 5-step filtration system, which filters out 99.9% of dust, separating suction particles and effectively dealing with fine dust, pollen, and pet dander. Keep your home not only clean but also allergen-free. Clean carpets and hard floor surfaces with ease. Direct drive motor. The Cordzero isn't limited to one type of flooring. Its direct drive motor inside the nozzle cleaning head effortlessly lifts dust, dirt, and pet hair from both hardwood floors and carpets. Enjoy a consistent, thorough clean across all surfaces. Transforms to hand vacuum for quick spot cleaning. Need a quick solution for pet hair on furniture or a fast cleanup in your car? Detach the handheld vacuum for instant spot cleaning. With the versatility of a detachable handheld vacuum, switch effortlessly between floors and furniture, ensuring no spot is left untouched. In conclusion, the LG Cordzero Stick Vacuum redefines what's possible in home cleaning. It's not just about suction power, it's about flexibility, durability, and a commitment to making your life easier. Invest in the future of home cleaning. Choose LG Cordzero for a cleaner, more efficient home. Ready to liberate yourself from the limitations of corded vacuums? Click the link below to explore the full product specifications and discover why the LG Cordzero is not just a vacuum, it's a game changer in home cleaning. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.